Well, hello everyone, and this is Peter Brown with a look at your weather for the next 7 days, and I hope you all had a very happy New Year and a happy holiday season. And unless you're probably enjoying being stuck to your car and to every surface out there, you're probably getting sick and tired of this cold weather. I know, even being as I am a weatherman, I'm getting a little bit tired of it as well. And unfortunately, starting out our period this week, we're going to see a little bit more of the same again. Look at this on Friday. Our high is only going to be around 9 degrees, but I want to draw your attention to what the low is going to be. We are most likely going to be breaking some record lows as we go into this weekend coming up. Look at this going into Friday evening, -10. So if you are outside at all, you have to go out doing any shopping around, going out to a restaurant, please make sure you have the appropriate clothing with you. You really have to be bundled up. This is very, very dangerous cold that we have. And of course, that's going to be continuing its way until we get about into the start of next week. And of course, as we get towards the end of next week, we're supposed to be seeing temperatures, if you can believe it, in the mid-30s. Now, that was something we were, really laughing about a couple months ago when it was so warm in the past fall. And now we are just begging for temperatures to get up into the 30s, that's for sure. And of course, the best thing though, if there's any light at the end of the tunnel, our days are getting longer, and you can actually start to notice that now in the afternoon. So one bit of good news in all of this very cold weather, that's for sure, but not a lot, that's for certain. Now, as we go ahead, I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going to be going on with our weather for the next 7 days. Now, we're of course going to be seeing this very, very powerful system moving away from the Burlington area in southern New England. Now, getting into Friday and into Saturday, this storm, of course, is going to keep strengthening as it heads up into the maritime provinces. And that is going to bring some incredibly strong northerly winds down here into the southern New England area. And that's what's going to be contributing to us getting very clear conditions, but extremely cold conditions, especially as we see those overnight lows. By the time we get into the Monday and Tuesday time frame, we're going to see another system coming up to affect us. Now, this system may actually, if you can believe it, bring us a chance of maybe some rain. I know it sounds really strange to even be saying that with how cold it's been, but this storm's going to be a little bit messy. We may see a little bit of everything, some snow, sleet, freezing rain, and actually eventually some plain rain as we get into the Tuesday time frame. However, though, unfortunately, after that storm passes by, we're going to see another high-pressure center building down in from central and northern Canada, and that's going to bring some pretty cold temperatures, again, back into the Burlington area. Now, as we go ahead, I'm going to show you a little bit about, of course, something that we have definitely been experiencing. These are the temperature outlook for the next 8 to 14 days. Now, no surprise, they are expecting from the Climate Prediction Center for us here in the Burlington area to see below normal temperatures. Even looking at this, they are forecasting maybe above average temperatures in the southeast. We'll have to really see if that actually pans out, especially since they saw some snow in Florida this past couple of days or so. If there's any place you want to go to find the really warm weather, though, you have to travel way out west of the Rockies. If you're going out to California, out to the Los Angeles area, San Francisco, anywhere like that, looks like you're going to have some really nice weather. Now, as we go ahead, I'm going to show you some of those temperatures that we have coming up for the next 7 days. And I know what you're saying right here, something you really didn't want to be seeing, but again, here we are back into the absolute Arctic freeze going in Friday. Now, Saturday night into Sunday morning, this is a little bit worrisome here. We are looking for maybe lows to be as low as 16 below zero. As the big powerful storm moves away from us, the winds are going to settle down, and that's going to allow for extra radiational cooling at night. And I would not be surprised if there could be a few areas around here in Burlington in the colder spots that could approach perhaps 20 below zero. So some really, really cold stuff. Of course, we get into Sunday, we still have some sunny skies. Temperatures, of course, look at this, 14, absolutely balmy compared to what we're going to be seeing on Saturday with highs barely getting above zero. Now, when we get into Monday and Tuesday, you're going to be looking at these temperatures and saying, wow, this looks like we're getting into a winter heat wave almost here. Temperatures in the mid and upper 30s, but of course, that's going to bring with it the chance of some real messy, sloppy weather, some rain, snow, sleet, and maybe a little bit of freezing rain. However, though, once that storm moves away, back into Wednesday, we're back into clear, sunny skies, and look at this. Highs again down to the teens, and overnight lows approaching down near 10 below zero again. Now, as we get towards Thursday, we're going to see some cloudy weather coming in. We may be seeing another system with maybe some light snow moving in towards the end of the period, but again, temperatures in the lower 20s, but these nighttime lows are what are really getting us. Temperatures very, very cold again, only in the single digits even at the end of the week. So everyone, please make sure you stay warm, stay safe, and enjoy the weather.